Hello viewers, welcome to Tech for You. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use your PC, that's Windows PC, as mobile hotspot. Okay, fast forward. Before you actually use your Windows PC as mobile hotspot, you first of all have to make sure you are connected to the internet. So when you come to my screen, down here at the notification bar, you can see that on the network side, I have or I am connected to a network called GH Link. So that's it. That's the name showing. Okay, so fast forward. If you want to use your Windows PC, that's Windows 10 or Windows 11, as mobile hotspot, first of all, click on the start button. This is my start button, and you can find it on this screen, or you can also use your keyboard. Most of the modern keyboards have the Windows button on it. So fast forward, you click on it, then after getting on the start button, you look for settings. So I'll click on the settings. When my settings is opened, now I'll come to this left side and locate network and internet. So I'll click on network and internet. So it takes me to this side. Now I have to look for mobile hotspot. So fast forward, I'll click on mobile hotspot. So this is the mobile hotspot. You can see that I am turned off. So I have to turn it on to be able to share my internet with others. So quickly, I'll click on this button. So I am now turned on. So now those around me can search my internet or search their Wi-Fi and they will be seeing my network. So fast forward, you see that the network property is showing right here. This is the name they will see if anyone wants to connect to my network. And this is the password the person will be using. So in case I don't want it and I want to change it, I'll come to edit right here. After editing, I'll click on save. Then it will be available for my friends to be able to connect. So this is how to actually use your Windows PC as mobile hotspot. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share, and turn on your notification bar so that anytime we drop a new video, you will be the first person to watch. Thank you for watching.